In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Visa gift card on Amazon. Whether you have a gift card from a recent celebration or a thoughtful gesture from a friend, getting the most out of it on Amazon is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can seamlessly incorporate your Visa gift card into your Amazon account and get shopping with ease. First, we begin by adding the Visa gift card to your Amazon account. You'll want to log into your Amazon account either via their app or on the website. Once logged in, navigate to the Your Account section. Here, you'll find the Payment Options area. This is where you can input the information from your Visa gift card. Add the card number, expiration date, and any other details it may request. Be careful here to input each piece of information accurately so your transaction goes smoothly. Once added, your Visa gift card becomes part of your payment methods, ready to be used for purchases. Now, with your gift card linked, proceed to check out with the items you wish to purchase. Adding items to your cart is the fun part. Make sure you've selected everything you want before moving on. At checkout, you'll be prompted to review your cart and ensure you've got the right quantities and sizes if applicable, confirming that everything is set for purchase. Following that, you'll choose your payment method among the options provided. Here, you'll find your Visa gift card listed alongside other payment methods you may have set up. Select the gift card to decide how much you'd like to apply to this particular purchase. This part is crucial if you're planning to use the remaining balance for future purchases. Simply enter the amount you'd like to pay using this gift card. If the balance on the card doesn't cover the full amount of the purchase, you can combine it with another payment method. Once everything looks good, you're ready to complete the transaction. You'll see a final summary of your purchase, including the shipping address, the itemized list of your order, and the payment details showing your gift card application. Confirm all this information is correct, then finalize your purchase. Simple as that, your order is now being processed. Finally, make sure to check for purchase confirmation. After completing the transaction, Amazon will typically send a confirmation email to the address on file with your account. Look for that email to ensure everything went through as planned. This email will also include the order tracking information once your purchase has been shipped. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to using your Visa gift card on Amazon. Happy shopping and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.